Here at Northwest, there's an opportunity for high school welders to further their knowledge at CCC.
I signed up for CCC Welding because it was something to learn outside of school and know more things about the trades and everything.
Sophomore year, one of my buddies got me to do it, and then I've enjoyed it ever since, and I wanted to learn more in the work field and pursue that as a career path.
Talk to the counselors, see if I could get to do something outside of school instead of schoolwork.
The counselors told me about it and told me to tell my parents, and my parents were like, all right.
I took Northwest Welding before I went and signed up for CCC Welding.
Did welding 1 and 2.
Every day there's a morning and afternoon class. Each class is 3 hours long.
Right now, class takes about 3 hours to complete one day. It could be like a 2-year program, or it could be a 1 year, depending on what you want to do.
We mainly learn how to pass bend tests and how to weld uphill, downhill.
I learned how to weld on flux core with MIG. That's pretty hard because you're using 2 different gases and then you have to chip. And I learned MIG, which is just normal.
In the class, there's a few Northwest students and CPI, and then college kids that are getting their degrees.
In my class, it's 3 different Northwest kids, and then there's 1 kid, I think, from St. Paul that comes into my class.
My favorite part about being in it is they're flexible with you. For if you can't make it there at the designated time, you can come in later and do the class.
Probably the welding, just doing welding, getting out of school early.
If you wish to take the CCC welding class or have questions about it, you can contact your counselor.